Hello all. In the project management, critical path method is a one important technique where we evaluate the projects. Now here we have the data related to the activity as well as the duration. Duration you may take it as hours or days, whatever it is. And for this we have to determine the critical path and also we have to draw the network. So before drawing the network we have to find out the critical path. So critical path, if we observe the activities 1, 2 and 1, 3. Starting activity is 1 and the ending activity is 5. But here 1, 2, 5. That means we can identify from these nodes 1, 2, 5. See here node 1, node 2 and node 5. So we can identify the first path as 1 to 2 and 2 to 5. What is the duration? 1 to 2 and 2 to 5. So 1 to 2 is the duration 8 and 2 to 5 duration is 2. So that will be 10. Now second path is also there. See 1 to 2, 2 to 5 is there, but ending is a fifth one. But here if we see after fifth activity, third activity has started and third activity, after third activity, fourth activity started. Actually it should be previous. So here 1, 2 and 4. So 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5. See 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5. So 1 to 2 as already this path exists. Now here we have identified 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Here there is no 2 to 3. So 2 to 4, 4 to 5. So 1 to 2 is how many hours? 8. 2 to 4 is 10 and 4 to 5 is 3. So put together it is 21. Now so 1 to 3, 1 to 3. See here another node, because from 1 we have two activities. From 1 second activity is there, from the same node third activity is there. That means for the first activity there are two nodes. So like this. So for first activity we have two nodes. After the first activity it may go to second or from this place to here. So two activities are there. So now I am taking this one. So 1 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So here we have 1 to 3. So 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So 1 to 3 is 4 and 3 to 4 is 5 and 4 to 5 is 3. So put together it is 12. So in this critical path, in this three critical paths, whichever is maximum, that will be the critical path. So critical path identified, path as 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 5 with 21 hours with 21 hours. Now we have to draw the network. So for network, as I told you, see here, the first node is having 2 activities, so 2 and 3. So from here 1 to 5, 1 to 5. 1, see the critical path, the longest path that we can observe is 1, 2, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. So third one, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5 is there. So here what I am doing, I am connecting. I am connecting this one. So here 1, 2, 4, 5 and 1, 3, 5, and in between 2 is also connected. 2 is also connected. So 1, 2, 3, how many? 1, 2, 3, how many hours? 4 hours. And 3 to 5, the duration is 5. And 2 to 4 or 1 to 2 is 8 hours. And 2 to 4 is 10 hours. And 4 to 5 is 3 hours. And 2 to 5 is 2 hours. 2 to 5 is 2 hours. So the maximum critical path, what is that? 8 plus 10 plus 3. So the critical path in this particular network is the 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is how we will solve the CPM based problem, and this is how we draw the network diagram for this. And also we can also calculate the floats also using the earliest time and the latest time, as already I have discussed in the previous video. In the same way you can also follow for this also. If you want to calculate the float values, you can calculate, and you can identify any uncritical activities are there in this particular activity that can be identified with the help of the floats. So that is the advantage of calculating the float values. Thank you.